Kawa naman si Presidente, hindi naman siya magdapat every typhoon o every mag-order pa siya ng ito. In place na yan. So, there must be a module for every agency that has something to do that would respond to any calamity or fortuitous event that would be, nandyan na yan in place. Lalo na yung police, pati military, alam na nila yan. There must be a unit in the military na may mga about somewhere na automatic na yan. Hindi na kailangan na ano pa. Pati yung police, dapat ganun. At hindi na kailangan ang presidente pa yan. Sila na mismo. Because in every crisis, kaawa naman itong mga police pati military, sila yung nagiging punching bag. But sino naman ang tawagan natin? Who can better respond to a crisis as quickly as the police and the military? Sila yan eh.